Once your admin enables Service CRM on the LeadSquared mobile app, you can start managing and resolving tickets directly from your phone. In this video, you'll learn how to view, create, manage, and close tickets from the mobile app. Before you begin, download the LeadSquared mobile app on Android or iOS and log in with your credentials. Only sales plus service type agents can access tickets on the app. From the home screen, tap Tickets to view all tickets in your account. You can switch between All Tickets, My Tickets, My Group Tickets, Custom Views, and Shared Views. Within each view, apply filters like Unresolved, Mentioning Me to quickly find what you need. To create a new ticket, tap the Add icon. Fill in the required details and tap Submit. Your ticket is now created. On the Manage Tickets screen, you can see key details at a glance. Closed tickets appear grayed out with a double tick icon. You can also perform quick actions here. Assign the ticket to another user, change its status, close it after resolution, or delete it if needed. Tap any ticket to open the ticket details screen. Here, you can view all customer interactions, including emails, replies, attachments, and internal notes. You can also check ticket properties and customer information. From the ticket details screen, update the ticket status or owner, edit ticket or customer fields, copy text from images, add internal notes with attachments, close the ticket after resolution, or delete it. Start managing your tickets from anywhere to keep your customers satisfied.